Hey sub family, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show y'all the BMW X3 E83 2.5 liter engine. Sorry guys, I'm losing my voice here. This is the inside. This is what you're going to get on the inside, guys. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to start it up and rev it and just let you guys listen to that. That's the start up. This is the rev. That's the rev. We're gonna let that cool down a bit, and then we're gonna cut her off here, guys. Then we're gonna pop the hood. We're gonna bring you around here to the hood, shut that door. We're gonna show you the 2.5 liter engine in here. That's what we're working with, boy. 2.5 liter engine. Very fast girl right here, nice and clean. Look at the engine bay, how beautiful it is. Nice and clean. I actually got a bonnet ball on here that'll be taken off. We got some alloy tires, pretty good. Some expensive tires, they're good. The passenger side. Then we got the back seats right here. Then we're gonna go to the trunk. And this is the trunk, guys. Spacious. You got room under here. Battery. Extra storage you can put. Seats. Flop down, just like that. It's okay, that was nothing. That was just a thing I had hanging right here. But we're gonna pick that back up. Just like that, guys. Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how this BMW X3 drives from front. Well, first I'm going to back up and then I'm going to go forward and show y'all how fast it can take off from 0 to 60 and just give y'all an explanation on that. So I'm just going to hop in and show y'all. Now mind me, this car only has 60,000 miles on it, so it's not bad whatsoever. You would love this vehicle. And don't hesitate to buy it if you can get it for a good deal. I think I overpaid for this car, but I'm going to show you and give you a quick example of what it's like when it drives. So I'm going to back up. So you see, guys, that's how the BMW X3 drives, and that's a good example. And I will do an overview on the car itself. Hey guys, so I just now showed you how the car drives. So now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you how the car drives while I'm inside of it. So right now we're going to put it to drive from park, and then we're going to drive it forward. Yeah, so guys, right now I'm at a park and I'm just driving through the park. Now it's a little bumpy through here, so you might hear a lot of bumps and stuff. But it drives really smooth and the stability is fantastic on this car. It gets decent gas mileage, and it handles very well when you're going around tight turns and so forth. So this is a tighter turn right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to drive just up to here. It's just a small test drive. And then I'm going to turn into this. Matter of fact, I'm going to go straight for you guys. I'm going to drive on this road so you guys can see what it's like here. And I just put up the window so it wouldn't be too loud, guys. So we're going to drive on this straight road 15 miles an hour on this road. We're just gonna let you, I don't know if you can hear it accelerate that good or not, but it accelerates very well and it sounds so good. I mean, the car has been good to me. It hasn't had any issues. I just did really regular maintenance to it, and that's pretty much all. But yeah, I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I thank you guys for watching, sub family, and there'll be more videos to come. And this is the BMW X3. And listen, don't be scared to buy it. Just buy it. Thank you guys. I love you. Bye-bye.